Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, I'm back with Tonic. However, this one is the Tonic Craft Kit. I think this is number 34. Yep, number 34, and it's the Art Deco frame set. So, that's what we're going to be checking out this time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. With that, here is the box. I just got it today. It was waiting for me when I got home. I did take a peek, and I have to say, as much as I love Art Deco, I am not as big of a fan of this one as I thought I would be. So, with that, we are going to check it out. If you're not familiar with Tonic, they have a subscription kit. Most of the companies do now. Tonic is the one that I decided to stay with because I almost always love them. It's very rare that I don't. And it is stuff that I'll use. I've done a Cherry on Top. I've done theirs. I've done Pink and Main, Simon Says Stamp, Hero Arts. I've done the Stampin' Up one, which I don't care for. I was subscribed to it for a few years, and honestly, every single one is still sitting in a box. Every single one. I take that back. I made one. There was a Mother's Day one. I made that, and that's the only one that I made. I may get around to it someday. I don't know, but I think that one is a little over. While I guess it's reasonable for those of you that might have a limited budget, I think for what you get in it, I think it's overpriced. But that's me. That's my opinion. Everybody's different. You know, like I love the Tonic kits, but somebody else might like the Pink and Main, or somebody might like the Simon Says Stamp. The Simon Says Stamp, I just kind of pay attention to them. And if I like it, then I order it. I think I just ordered one recently, so I hope it comes soon. That just dawned on me. I don't think I've received it. So I guess I have to check up on that. Anyway, let's see what's in this kit. I just had dairy, and it just always messes with me, so I apologize for all of the clearing of my voice. So, in this kit, it is called Discover the Art of Deco Opulence of Tonic Craft Kit 34. You will be surrounding yourself in copper shades, charming you with chocolate tones, and offering a navy serenade. Decorate your projects in diamonds and details with the exclusive Art Deco frame, die, and stamp set. Of course, there's the exclusive Tonic Craft sticker, which I just stick on the wallets, and I'll point that out in a little bit. So, let's take a peek. We're going to do the paper first. And according to this, I love it. They always come protected. They're always either in one of these envelopes or in a cardboard envelope. So I do appreciate that. All right. Classic card, which would be this one. This is their textured weave. This is in apricot ombre. I'm not quite sure where they get the ombre because there is no ombre effect for that. So that is your classic card. And their classic card is an 80-pound weight. Then there is a mirror card. And I think this is stunning in Copper Mine. I think that is a gorgeous color. The light, if you catch it wrong, almost looks red, but it is a really pretty copper. Then we have the pearlescent card. Stay in my lap now. In Midnight Sky. I think that is a gorgeous blue. Their pearlescent, besides the textured weave, is the only specialty cardstock that is double-sided. Next is the, oh come on, don't place pearlescent card in Cosmic Copper. I think that's really pretty. It's a totally different copper, but it is definitely a copper. Then we have the specialty card in Bronze Labyrinth, and I think this is gorgeous, and I want some more of this one. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. We have Glitter Card in Cobalt Blue. I think this is also a stunning card. Now you're seeing me, I'm rubbing my hands, and look, there's no fallout. So I always tell you how much I love their glitter card, and there you go, no fallout. Next we have Mirror Card, and they aren't saying this, but this is a satin finish, and this is Rustic Dusk. So that, and then we have, finally we have the, where are you hiding? Specialty paper in Midnight Sky. And I love these because, I mean, they're so heavily embossed, they almost feel like fabric. So love that. That is the cardstock for this kit. I'm going to stick this underneath so it will quit falling out of my lap. Then I'm going to share the die and stamp set. And the dies that come in these kits, you can only get in the kits. They're never sold separately, so they're always an exclusive. So you have a few different frames here. Hold on. So you can go with your background either being a straight cut, or you can use this one here, stay. And you can see it's got a little stitched edge right there. And then you have, man, I'm just beating y'all up. You have different dies to cut out. Let me see if I can pull it up on their website so you can see their, I do kit inspiration. Come on and load. So you can actually see what these make. It is an Art Deco look. To me, this one is more of the Art Deco than this design over here, but it also comes with sentiments. So normally I can read these things. I can't read it. I can't read this one. Something for you. And then this one says sending warmest wishes. This one says sending warmest wishes. And so again with these, you can either choose a straight cut edge back, or you can use the stitch die. And then this here cuts out one of the frames, I believe, for this one here. So, and stay in my lap. I don't know if anybody else has been experiencing this. To me, the Tonic website this week has been really slow. Like super, super slow. Here, let's see, inspiration maybe. Nope. Well, that's no help. Because I'm doing a video, I can't play their website because I guess I can get hit with copyright, but which is kind of a bummer. Yeah. Oh, here we go. All right. Get over there. All right, I'm gonna try not to make y'all sick. Come on. Which apparently I'm not doing, sorry, a very good job. So, that is a sample there. That to me is very Art Deco. There's the stamp set. I think that's okay. I don't see, to me that design is Art Deco. The other included die set. There's no, to me that is not Art Deco at all. It just doesn't even come close. And I just, nah, these ones I think are gorgeous. I do love those. But anywho, so that is what you can make. Now they're showing cards, but I think you could do nice picture frames. You can use them as inserts in mini albums, stuff like that. Here is the stamp set that we saw online. It says congratulations, thank you. A little bit of Art Deco here, and the little floor to go with the die set that I don't particularly care for. And then here is our exclusive sticker. Creativity never goes out of style. And me personally, I just stick them on the folder that the kit comes with. So that is the stamp and die set. It comes with an ink spot of, they call it the Nuvo Hybrid Ink Pad in Midnight Surf. Mine, like, I'm going to open it and get ink all over myself. So, and it is one of the canvas pads. It's not one of the mushy ones, you know, which I like those. You know, I think they have their purpose, but those can be super messy. So you get the ink spot in Midnight Surf. You get one of 3 pens in the Midnight Shadow collection glitter pen, and I got Imperial Blue. Their glitter pens are really, or glitter markers are a lot of fun. You do have to prime them up, and they are very sparkly. So there's that. Came with a full-size bottle of glitter accents in Harvest Moon. This is now going to be, I think, my 3rd one. So this one I'm going to put in a future giveaway. It came with a full-size bottle of Crystal Drops in Copper Penny. And I love this one. Already have it, but I will definitely be using both of them. And then finally it came with a full-size bottle of Nuvo Pure Sheen Glitter in Chestnut Brown. This one I think it's going to get a lot of use for fall and at Christmas time. And you're like, brown for Christmas? Yeah, you can make your Christmas tree trunks glitter. Why not? So that, y'all, is this month's Tonic Craft Kit number 34. Still, I think it's a fantastic value. Their kits, I do a quarterly subscription, so I pay 4 times a year, and then it just renews when... so you can do it monthly. Do a one of, and it's $39.99. Then if you do a monthly subscription, you pay monthly, then it's $33 a month. If you do quarterly, it's $99, which is kind of the same as the monthly subscription, but I believe it's a discounted shipping rate. And so that's the one I do. I do the, because total for 3 months with shipping, I pay, I think, $107 or something like that. Or maybe $109. So, but the $39.99, the $33, you have shipping, you have to add shipping on top of that. So, if you've been following my craft kits, you think it's a great value, you know, I really highly recommend this particular kit, but y'all know I love Tonic. So, that's it as far as Tonic goes. They are having a tool sale right now. I did place a small order. There is, their weekend bundles are already up, and it's mainly almost all paper bundles. So if some of y'all have been wanting to get in on some of the paper bundles, I would go check it out. I think they're really good prices. Some of them are 50-60% off the bundles. So, and if you are a Kit subscriber, you get another 10% on top of that. So that is Tonic. Now, I do have a few little extras to share. I placed another order with Amazon and got some more of the acetate pockets that I use to store my paper in. So I got those in. If you're interested in those, I do link them. If you go to my Amazon, my Amazon store page, they're linked in there. I think they're also linked down in the description. Anywho, or you can just search them on Amazon. Then I mentioned the other day about that house mouse stamp set that they created because COVID. It came today. Tell me those aren't cute. Thank you for being mice and keeping others safe. Wishing you a mice big 6-foot hug. Have a mice home day. Hope you're better soon. Stay masked. Stay mice. You know, instead of stay nice. Masks for perfection. Or protection, mice for fun, and never too cute to be safe. So, this little baby one here, that's Amanda. I think that's Muzzy. This is Mud Pie. Mud Pie, he's always getting into trouble. Some of y'all asked how I know their names. I don't know, I can't always recognize them. But when they're kind of together like this, like I know that the baby one is Amanda. When there's a group of them and there's a little bitty baby one, the baby one is always Amanda. Muzzy is kind of smaller than Mud Pie. And like I said, Mud Pie, he's always getting into mischief. So, that's it. That's it for today, y'all. Not a long video, not a big one. Hope you enjoyed the kit. They are already showing next month, which I'm really excited about. Number 35, it's something rose. Let's see. They're already showing it online. Go onto YouTube and search Tonic Craft Kit number 35. It's very pretty. I love the colors. I'm already excited for that one to come. And, yeah, it's going to be pretty. So, that's it, y'all. I hope you guys had a great week. Tomorrow is Friday. I can't wait. And, yeah. So, with that, y'all have a great night. As always, love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.